Being intentional about your health takes planning. And I recently completed 40 days of raw fruits and vegetables, and I shared it on my channel, and lots of people were asking me, what did you eat for breakfast? What did you eat for lunch? And what did you eat for dinner? How do I start doing this? Because in order to lose the weight, in order to maintain healthy weight, you need to make proper planning. So in this video, I'm going to share with you what I ate for dinner. I recently uploaded a video about my breakfast and lunch, so this one is dinner. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Mfon, and I'm here to share with you what I ate during my 40 days of raw fruits and vegetables, and I hope this will encourage you to start if you are planning to start and be successful in it. So for my dinner, what I usually do is I eat a big bowl of vegetable salad. Is either I prep it myself or I buy the already made one at the store, but I try to buy organic vegetables so that it will give me all the nutrients that my body needs. So I eat varieties of it. Sometimes I do eat celery and salsa. So I make sure that I complete my day with vegetables because I do eat fruits a lot. Sometimes I eat it individually and sometimes I eat it, fruit salad. But during the closing of the day, I like to do a lot of vegetables. So I eat vegetable salad and I have fun with it, switch it up a little bit. Sometimes I do celery with salsa. Sometimes I do cabbage with salsa, and I switch it up a whole lot, having fun with it, not making it boring, and that's how I go about it. And if I am a little bit hungry after that, I do snack with fruits like avocado, oranges, apples, pear, and because it's in the evening and the day is rounding up, I don't really snack a lot, but avocado is my go-to. I just love avocado. I just love ending my day with avocado, and it's very healthy for the body. Avocado contains healthy fats and it helps you with digestion. It helps to give you that healthy cholesterol, and that's how I do it. So I don't know if you have seen my video on the breakfast, lunch, and if you haven't, I invite you to check my description box, and also I'm gonna put it at the end of this video. So let me know in the comments, are you going to try these fruits and vegetables? Because it has amazing benefits for your health. It has amazing benefit for your digestive system. So give it a try. That's how I used to do it. I enjoy eating my raw fruits and vegetables, and currently I am doing 3 days of raw fruits, and that's what I ate yesterday and the day before, and that's what I'm going to eat today as well. So that's how I do it. I try to have fun with eating vegetables and also feeding my body healthy foods. So if you miss the breakfast and the lunch, I'm going to share it right here. So go watch it and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Like this video if you like it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.